Yo guys, it's Danilo Everything here, and today I'm going to be playing Scribble.io. The reason that I don't have my webcam is because there's something wrong with my webcam and it's not working, so I just made a video with no webcam and it's a Scribble.io video. And of course there's an ad. Canon. Hold on, I need to ask what do you call it. Canon. C is changing. Okay, C. By the way, I'm eating M&M's. Unicycle. No. What the heck is this? Bucket? Are you peeing in the bucket? Yeah, I guess it's a chef competition. Like, what the heck? What is this? Leave a like if you know what this is. It's a Teletubby. Yeah, it's a Teletubby. How do you spell it? Teletubby. I knew it. Teletubby. Teletubby. I cut my finger. I cut my fin. What? Weird name. Pink. Pink was close. What? Milkshake? Milkshake, no. Milkshake. Mine's, boys, I don't know. Cup? Isn't it cup? Ice cream. Pink. Pink. Pink is close. Stink. Is it stink? Stinky? Oh, it is! Stink. Oh, there's only pink. Since there's only 3 people on here, so I'm just gonna refresh the page and I'll go on Scribble because 3 people's on it. Pause it till the ad is done, guys. So now it's playing. Flute. And leave a like if you have music class in your school. I know we do. We played. I played the trumpet with Elijah and Clement. I was in band, and there's like there's 3 options. That's a computer. How do you spell it though? Computer. 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 Knew it. Sorry if I'm looking up how to spell stuff, because I don't know how to spell computer. I like it. It's good. It ain't a laptop, it's a computer. But making a YouTube video. Just kidding. I was about to say. Ticket. A house. No. Home. School. Church. A mall. This. H-E-E-T. H-E. That's H-E. I don't know how to read. This is what I think it is. He. H-A. Back. Back. What's outdoors? What the? I don't know. Is it out patio? Outside. Out. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and remember to hit that bell notification button and subscribe. Guys, my webcam is not working. If your brother and sister just click on the video and just watching and you get them off and you don't know what part they are, so I'll tell you. That's toast. Toast. Toaster. Don't tell me that. Yeah, it's a toaster. Toaster. Taco. Oh. That looks like a taco bag. The heck is this? It's not a suitcase. Purse. Oh, I see how it looks like the purse. Laundry cap. It's a foot. Gun. Am I plug? A USB, and it's my turn to draw. East Hill. Fountain. Let's do circle. Fill in some blue. No. Blue. I don't know how to do it. Isn't it like that? Then it goes to blue, then it goes this. No. Come on. Yes, I got it. Guys. Got people to guess it. I suck at drawing. I'm in here for a reason. Sail. Door. Oh. Canada. 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 I made it! I made it! That was my fault. I don't know how to spell. Spoon. After this video ends, I'm gonna, what do you call it? Play. I'm just gonna SS Sniper Wolf. What is this? A puddle. It's sucky, it's a ghost. It's a bell, it's a purse, it's a suitcase, it's a, what's that thing, a bib? Isn't it a bib, or, no, that has eyes on it. Yeah, isn't it that a bib? A clown, no. SOWN. SOW. This doesn't make sense. Cloak. Think. Pogo. Come on. Piggy. A star. A dinosaur. A T-Rex. No. A finger. A finger. No. Oh, thumb. A pinky. Pink. E. Knew it. It was a nail. Nail. Nail guessed it. Any India? Latina. Bad.